Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, also subscribe to my channel. How to use ChatGPT for day-to-day life. So make sure to watch the full video. OpenAI introduced a long-form question-answering AI called ChatGPT that answers complex questions conversationally. It's a revolutionary technology because it's trained to learn what humans mean when they ask a question. Many users are awed at its ability to provide human-quality responses, inspiring the feeling that it may eventually have the power to disrupt how humans interact with computers and change how information is retrieved. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a large language model chatbot developed by OpenAI based on GPT 3.5. It has a remarkable ability to interact in conversational dialogue form and provide responses that can appear surprisingly human. Large language models perform the task of predicting the next word in a series of words. Reinforcement learning with human feedback, RLHF, is an additional layer of training that uses human feedback to help ChatGPT learn the ability to follow directions and generate responses that are satisfactory to humans. Who built ChatGPT? ChatGPT was created by San Francisco-based artificial intelligence company OpenAI. OpenAI Incorporated is the nonprofit parent company of the for-profit OpenAI LP. OpenAI is famous for its well-known DAL*E, a deep learning model that generates images from text instructions called prompts. Large language models. ChatGPT is a large language model, LLM. Large language models, LLMs, are trained with massive amounts of data to accurately predict what word comes next in a sentence. It was discovered that increasing the amount of data increased the ability of the language models to do more. LLMs predict the next word in a series of words in a sentence and the next sentences, kind of like autocomplete, but at a mind-bending scale. This ability allows them to write paragraphs and entire pages of content. But LLMs are limited in that they don't always understand exactly what a human wants. And that's where ChatGPT improves on state-of-the-art, with the aforementioned reinforcement learning with human feedback, RLHF, training. How was ChatGPT trained? GPT 3.5 was trained on massive amounts of data about code and information from the internet, including sources like Reddit discussions, to help ChatGPT learn dialogue and attain a human style of responding. ChatGPT was also trained using human feedback, a technique called reinforcement learning with human feedback, so that the AI learned what humans expected when they asked a question. Training the LLM this way is revolutionary because it goes beyond simply training the LLM to predict the next word. Because of that training, ChatGPT may challenge certain questions and discard parts of the question that don't make sense. Another research paper related to ChatGPT shows how they trained the AI to predict what humans preferred. The researchers notice that the metrics used to rate the outputs of natural language processing AI resulted in machines that scored well in the metrics, but didn't align with what humans expected. What are the limitations of ChatGPT? Limitations on toxic response. ChatGPT is specifically programmed not to provide toxic or harmful responses, so it will avoid answering those kinds of questions. Is ChatGPT free to use? The use of ChatGPT is currently free during the research preview time. The chatbot is currently open for users to try out and provide feedback on the responses so that the AI can become better at answering questions and learning from its mistakes. How can ChatGPT be used? ChatGPT can write code, poems, songs, and even short stories in the style of a specific author. The expertise in following directions elevates ChatGPT from an information source to a tool that can be asked to accomplish a task. This makes it useful for writing an essay on virtually any topic. ChatGPT can function as a tool for generating outlines for articles or even entire novels. It will provide a response for virtually any task that can be answered with written text. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go.